The European Green Deal is Europe's new growth strategy. We have to act now.
The path of challenges is a path of opportunity. It leads to a more sustainable, healthier, and more prosperous society. Our journey to green, climate-neutral planet has started. It will be hard. As a commissioner, I will do everything in my power to take us down that road.
Hi, I'm Lucas. Today I will look into a report for European Commission, which was published in 2015. The topic is From the Sugar Platform to Biofuels and Biochemicals. My goal is to update the information about the current state of art of sugar platforms, or in the other words, how sugar platforms comes to their current state. To achieve most recent information about the market, I decided to visit a Biobased Industry Stakeholders Forum in Brussels, where I conducted quite some interviews. Let's go to the findings. 3-HBA. It is back to research stage, number of projects running, however technologically complicated. Novozymes Cargill continues a 3-HBA partnership as BASF exits the game. Acrylic acid, no changes present. The process is via 3-HBA, but as it is struggling, so the development of acrylic acid is also interrupted. However, there are additional pathways for acrylic acid. ADM and LG Chem have signed a joint development agreement to develop bio-based acrylic acid. Succinic acid. It is in a commercial stage, not a big market. For this reason, companies are going bankrupt, although through succinic acid, quite prospective biodegradable polymer PBS derives, but it is still in R&D phase. BDO via succinic acid, as Wageningen University Researcher explains, it can be done, but succinic acid is quite relatively expensive, so if you add succinic as an input for BDO, then you get losses, processing costs, hydrogen loss, and you lose 2 of your oxygens, and you lose mass, which also adds up to your costs. BDO Direct, it is commercial, Novamont and Genomatica. ABE has moved down from commercial stage to demonstration phase. As their corporate announcement says, the last operational plant was operated by Green Biologics in Minnesota until it shut down in June 2019. Isobutane, its demonstration stage, although it is very close to the commercial scale, says Optis Sohim representative. Farnesene, small scale, but now it's commercial. Company Amiris, although the plant was agreed to sell to the Dutch specialties firm DSM. Levulinic acid, now it's in a commercial stage. GF Biochemicals are producing it, but it is also in a small scale. The substance that is waiting for an application. Paraxylene is now in the commercial stage and the production is over 10,000 tons. Both FDCA and 5-HMF shifts to demonstration level. 5-HMF is needed in order to make FDCA. However, different pathway is used in the Avantium demonstration technology. PHAs, now it's in a commercial stage, produced on a large scale, even though it's quite expensive. However, there are many different types of PHAs, for example, polybioskin. No changes were present at lignocellulosic ethanol and first generation ethanol, lactic acid, propane diol, sorbitol, furfural, xylitol, acetic acid, ethylene, ethylene glycol, itaconic acid, lignocellulosic butanol, and butyl alcohol. Regarding isobutanol, isoprene, and adipic acid, I haven't received any comments from interviews or from literature review regarding change of stage. Finally, 2 extra materials were added to the table, which are ethylene oxide, it's in a commercial stage, made by Croda in United States, and isosorbide, small-scale commercial production. To conclude, over the past 4 years, 9 sugar platforms strengthened their positions in the market in a commercial stage. Only ABE got back to demonstration phase. Nearly 7 materials moved to commercial stage, which shows constantly growing market and a demand for such kind of applications. 2 new materials appeared in the commercial stage, and also 3 platforms moved upwards to demonstration phase. Slowly, but the industry is overcoming the valley of death. The transition towards bio-based economy is happening and is being driven by global trends, demographic change, climate change, and finally, consumer shift in preferences, which drives businesses to become more sustainable. I still personally believe such trend develops more greener businesses, higher competition for greener status, and in the end, bio-based solutions creates environmental impact.